Welcome back. Oops, Helpline started by Goa Police to help women in distress has no lady police constable in squad for help. Prudent tested the helpline yet again. They reached on spot in time, but there was no lady police constable to rescue the lady in distress. Sneha Sabnis reports.
Hello. Yeah, I'm Shweta speaking. Kampala and some guys are teasing me. Teasing meaning I don't know them who they are. So there was some commenting on me. I am here for karate tournament. Kampala SAG, yeah SAG where we practice karate and all. Polisank आम्ही फोन केलो 4:56 वरांचेर आणि आम्ही आता असा कांपालच्या इंडोर स्टेडियमा लागी. पळया पुलिस कितल्या मिनिटांनी हांगा पावतात ते. पुलिसांक फोन करून फक्त 5 मिनिटां जाता थंय आसा पुलिसाची गाडी हांगा आयिल्ली आसा.
Goa Police have introduced an unique helpline for women in distress, 1091, almost a month ago. Prudent had tested efficiency of the helpline then and also tested it after a month. Though there is an improvement in the time span to reach the spot, but the helping squad comes without a lady constable. Women in distress look forward for help from women in such situation.
पुलिस स्टेशनाच्या फक्त 500 मीटर अंतराचेर आम्ही असले आणि पुलिस हांगा 5 ते 7 मिनिटांनी पावले. ही एक बरी गजाल आसा. फाटल्या फावट आमी तांकां फोन केलो तेन्ना आमी दोना पावला आशिल्ले आनी तेन्ना तांकां 18 ते 20 मिनिटां लागिल्ली. फाटल्या फावटचे आनी आतांची तुलना केली जाल्यार पुलिस बरे बेगीन पावले. पूण सगळीत कडेन अशेंच बेगीन पावतले हो एक प्रश्न आसा. ओमकार फळारी वांगडा हांव स्नेहा सबनीस प्रुडंटा खातीर.
Fish trawlers have decided to observe nationwide strike from Tuesday, protesting against government's decision of exorbitant hike in diesel prices. Fishermen cooperative societies have opposed their inclusion in industrial sector, which has cancelled their earlier subsidy on diesel. Fish markets will remain closed to support the issue. Strike is likely to create huge impact on Goan fish markets and hotels.
Central government hiked 50 paise on diesel recently. Fishermen community is outraged due to this development and further due to their inclusion in industrial sector. Inclusion in industrial sector has deprived fishermen of subsidy on diesel. This along with diesel hike is costing the fishermen and trawler owners 11 rupees per litre extra. Altogether, trawler owners have to face loss of 66,000 rupees per month. From Tuesday, all the fishing trawlers will remain closed. Fishermen cooperative societies are likely to meet Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar, requesting him to look into the matter. With Mahesh Ghadi, a video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Tension prevailed on Monday at Sri Apteshwar Siddhivinayak Devasthan at Santines. One of the builders with some labourers allegedly tried to cut trees inside the temple premises. Devasthan committee alleged that builder's intention was to demolish the temple. Complaint is filed against the builder at Panji police station. Prudent media contacted the builder, but he refused to give his side of the story.
According to Devasthan's secretary Rajendra Dumaskar, on Monday afternoon some of the miscreants tried to cut trees inside the temple premises. Secretary claimed that members of the Devasthan committee were attacked when they opposed cutting of the trees.
अचानक एक 7-8 जणांचो मॉब येवन हांगासरले देवस्थानाची सगळी झाडां बिडां देवाची फुलां मारून कातरून तेंच्यांनी फ्लायट केली आहा. आमकां खबर नाशिल्लें की कोणी मारल्या म्हणून. जेन्ना कळ्ळें की बाबा एक ही जे मनीस आयिल्ले ते हांगासरले जो कोण जी कोणी जागा घेतल्या तो बिल्डर ताचें नांव इब्राहीम म्हणून कितें हारून इब्राहीम. एकदां हल्लो केलो आनी जे कोण आसले ते पळोवन गेले आनी परत एक गाडी आयली. त्या गाडयेन एक 7-8 मानय प्लस तेंचे मनीस ते आयले आनी तेन्ना येता आसतना तेंच्यांनी झाडां कातरपाची सगळी शस्त्रां हाडलेलीं. तेंच्या कडेन कोयते कुराडी आशिल्ले. तेंच्यांनी झाडाचेर घावो घालपाक सुरवात केली. एक झाड तेंच्यांनी हांगासर कातरून उडयलें आनी दुसरें झाड ते कातरून सोदताले. तेन्ना बाकीचे लोक 25-30 जमाना फुडें आनी फुडें ते थंयच्यान पळयले कामगार आनी मागीर ते गाडयेन गेले आनी बसले.
Devasthan President Vivek Mayekar informed that they have lodged a complaint against the builder at Panji police station for cutting the trees. They have asked the builder to discuss the issue before taking any step. They have also requested Panji police to provide 24 hours security to the temple, alleging that the builder might demolish the temple.
1,500 square meter area occupied by temple म्हणून अशें तेंच्यांनी मेन्शन केलेलें आहा. आमी आतां पुलिसाकूय कंप्लेंट केल्या पुलिसूय येवन पुलिसान मागीर ते थोडे गाडयो हे केले मरे धरलेच ना मरे धरल्या बिल्डर तो मॅग्नम हे म्हणून हरून इब्राहिम म्हणून बिल्डर सायडीची बिल्डींग मी तेणेच बांदलेली आहा तेणें जागो घेतलो जायत पूण कितें जागो घेवच्या पयलीं ते बिल्डराक खबर आहा हांगा देवस्थानां हें सगळ्या तेणें घेवच्या पयलीं किंवा आतां घेतलें सुद्दां जाल्यार तेणें अशें आजून पर्यंत गोंयान आमच्या किंवा अशें हें जायना हिंदू मुस्लीम हेजे त्या गोंयान क्रिस्तांव कांय इशू जायना सगळे आमी सण बरोबर मनयता पूण असो येवन अचानक हें करप कोणें म्हणजे ते मातशें वाद कसो निर्माण जाता आमी म्हणटा सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट करचो आनी बिल्डरांनी आमचे कडेन समक्ष येवन कम्युनिटी येवन उलोवन बाबा कितें आहा तो प्रश्न सॉल्व करचो.
Meanwhile, Prudent Media contacted the builder for his comment on the allegations, but he refused to give his statement. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The High Court has expressed concern over slow trial and pendency of cases under NDPS Act. The High Court has directed Goa government to submit detailed report of the pending cases before the designated NDPS trial courts. High Court was hearing a plea from a lady foreigner under trial accused in NDPS case who is locked at Sada jail since 2008 and her trial is yet to begin. The High Court of Bombay on Monday observed that slow trial of NDPS cases in state is matter of serious concern. The court said that most of the accused in NDPS cases are foreigners and they are in jails for years waiting for trials to begin. During the hearing of a bail petition filed by a lady foreigner accused who is in Sada jail since 2008 without a trial, Division Bench of Justice V.M. Kanade and U.V. Bakre said, Court can't grant her bail as due process of law has to be followed, but at least we can expedite the hearing. Public prosecutor contended that there are no special NDPS court in Goa. Only some designated courts hear these cases mostly just one day in a week. Advocate General Atma Ramnath argued that a special NDPS court can be set up only following High Court's direction. Then the court asked state government to file an affidavit regarding number of pending NDPS cases and their trial status. High Court will assess the need of special NDPS court on the basis of information regarding pendency of cases. Mukesh Kumar from High Court for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.